Hi everyone, I am Pavan and I am from Hyderabad. I have graduated in 2023 with a B.SC graduation, and I am from AB College of Arts, Commerce and Sciences. So I have joined this institute in the month of October 2024. So I am from Jspiders. So I have learned the whole full stack from Java. Java has been taught by Manjunath sir, Pavan sir, Prem sir, Kaushik sir, and React by Shivanand sir, and WebTech by Reshma ma'am, and SQL by Revant sir. So I have attended 3-4 interviews here. In that I have rejected in first round. So this is my fifth interview. I have been selected here.